Do you also want to book 35 plus appointments for a marketing agency? If that's the case, just stick to the very end because I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm actually booking 30 to 40 plus appointments every single month for my marketing agency. So this is the month of July, and this month so far, yesterday, like obviously, just to let you know the date. So today is 31st of July, on the day of I'm recording this video. So yesterday I did calculated our revenue, and we were almost at $40,000. So again, today is the last day of this month, and which is 31st July. If I can see my calendar here, let me just show you real quick. So if you can see my screen right here, so what you can see is like today is 31st, and today I have closed on 10 events, which mean 10 calls scheduled. I think on Monday, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've closed on 6 calls, and these are all inbound calls, right? I'm going to tell you guys how I'm actually booking these appointments. So these are inbound calls. Then at the same time, I have a sales team also. Like they will be also bringing like 2 or 3 more appointments. So what I'll be ending up with is around 6, 7, 8 calls today itself. So how I'm actually increasing these numbers, especially how I'm booking like so many appointments for a marketing agency. What's the secret hack that like I'm actually implementing, executing for my marketing agency? I'll try my very best to keep this video as simple and as quick as possible because I don't want to give you guys bluff, like things which doesn't work. Always I've tried to provide you best value here. So before even we start, right, because the title of this video was how I booked 35 plus appointments, so let me just show you the proof first, then we are going to dive in like how we actually do it, right? This is my calendar account, so you can see here. Let me just show you the proof, like whether I booked like 35 plus appointments or not. Let's only talk about this month, maybe July or maybe June. Let's see. So let's go to date range and let's see for this month. If you can see my screen, this month, and let's export the PDF for this or CSV file, whatever it is, and let's see how many appointments we have booked. I don't have a clue so far, but I know we booked like 35-40 plus appointments. So let me open this up. I think, yeah, here it is. So you can see here, like this month, yeah, we have it close to on 36 appointments, and today is still 31st. So we might be booking like maybe more than 4 or 5 more appointments. So we'll be actually sitting down on 40 plus appointments, right? So how am I actually achieving these numbers? Let's talk about that, and let's keep things simple, guys. I know once you actually figure out how to book appointments, scaling your agency is super easy, right? Like right now we are still struggling to hit $50,000 with the marketing agency, but today's 31st of July, and what I'm actually planning is to hit around $15,000 and hit $55,000 this month. Because if I can see my calendar, I have few promising prospects who might end up paying me, right? So let me go here. So this guy, I've already sent him the pricing. If you can see my screen again, then I think there are like few other prospects on my calendar. If I show you my calendar for today, who aren't booked on Calendly, let me show you. It is 31st. So you can see here, like this is an onboarding call. Then yeah, this guy already knows the pricing. Then I'm not sure if you might see this, but we have another call here, follow up with this guy. He knows the pricing. He has accepted the follow-up invite and seems like he's a promising prospect. Then we have this guy. So these are like few of like new appointments, but I'll try to close them down, right? Then I have like few more prospects which actually came in our pipeline from like our sales team. So it's like I'm very excited for today, 31st of July. I'll try my very best to hit $15,000 today. In the past, the highest day that we actually did was $12,000. I'll try my very best to hit 15,000 today itself. If I don't, then I'll try again. If I do it, then I'll start aiming for more. On my YouTube channel in the past, I've already told you guys like what kind of systems I have set up for my agency. It's Facebook inbound and all outbound. Just to let you know the breakdown of my employees, my sales team, who work with us, I have around 5-6 guys who actually like do prospecting for me. All of them have like separate LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram account. They post content there for nurturing and attracting and tempting new inbound prospects. This is the only thing we are focusing right now. No ads and nothing. It's all organic, inbound and outbound. I'm just saying this again, no ads, it's all inbound and outbound, right? So what makes us different as in marketing agency, because there are like hundreds but not thousands of marketing agencies out there for solar, what making us different is our social proof, our credibility and our offer. I cannot disclose my current offer, whatever it is, because it's working for us. But you have to like build your offer so well. Your prospect should actually feel stupid. If I say no to this guy, I'm like more than like a stupid guy, to be honest, right? Why? Because this offer is so good. He is offering me guarantee. He's offering me bonuses. He's offering me ton of appointments. I just need to close 1 2 sales and I'll be in a positive ROI. It's like a no-brainer offer. So you have to be way too good in terms of creating offers. I haven't read that book by Alex Hormozy, like I think 100 million offers, something like that, but I'll definitely give it a read. But so far guys, like the only thing matter right now is only two things. First is your social proof, which includes your credibility, your reputation. Second is just prospecting with the right offer. So just to give you an example guys, I know each one of you is offering 100% money back guarantee. Every other agency is doing. How you can actually make yourself different is by offering closes, right? So John, I know like you sell roofs, you do roof replacement and whatnot, but I'm going to personally guarantee you, if you don't end up closing 1 to 2 sales with us, I'm going to refund you 100% of my money. As of very now, we trust in our services so much, and I'm very much confident like most of our clients are actually closing a lot of sales. So it's pretty easy for us to deliver to our clients, and that's why we are guaranteeing them closes, right? At the same time, we have few more things going on inside our offer which I cannot disclose it here, but this is one thing: you should start guaranteeing them closes. What's the worst case scenario? Let's be a little pessimistic. The worst case scenario is they're not closing 2 sales, you're refunding their money. That's all. That's the worst case scenario, right? So if you're just starting out, I would definitely suggest you to avoid something like this. But if you're some kind of like medium to average sized marketing agency who has like few employees, you have some kind of good clientele, and most importantly you have social proof, then definitely you should give this a try, right? I have issued more than 20,000, $25,000 in refunds, so don't talk to me about refunds. So I know how it feels. But just to save yourself in that case, what you can do is you can add two clauses in your contract. First is, if you don't end up closing minimum of 2 sales, you'll be eligible for a refund, right? You don't have to say like we'll refund you. Your client has to ask you for the refund. So if you don't end up closing 2 sales minimum with a services, you'll be eligible for a refund, or you can continue our services for absolutely free. Here's the catch, right? Here's the hack. And generally what end up happening is most of our clients, they know like we are giving them quality appointments, maybe they are struggling with closing, but if they don't close 2 sales, they're eligible obviously, but they think like these guys are sending me quality appointments, let me just continue real quick and I'll make some few sales maybe later down the line, maybe this month, next month, and this is just keep continuing with us. This is how you like try to like avoid refunds, at the same time you're retaining the clients. So this is like the craziest hack I ever came across. Like I just like thought about something like this on my own. I never came across it, sorry for that, but it's like you have to create these clauses in your contract which can actually save you from refunding your clients. At the same time, you'll be also retaining them. Anyways guys, this was very exciting video. I really hope you actually got my point. Whatever I was trying to actually tell you is like the only thing matter right now is social proof and building a strong offer, irresistible one again. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. All the very best, keep taking action. And guys, in the description you're going to find Facebook group link. And also guys, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, I've also launched 10K SMMA glitch, a new course. A lot of new students have actually joined it and they have already started getting results. So if you want to join that course, you will find the link in the description. Also, let's connect on Instagram. I'll be traveling to Europe this Friday, so if you want to stay connected, then definitely I'm more than welcome for you guys. Anyways, guys, keep hustling, and I think this is the right time. You have gotten yourself. Just trust the process, be confident, give yourself time, and you've got this. Anyways, guys, all the best, and I'll be back with more videos very, very soon. Bye.